Why make a homemade ginger syrup, you ask? Well, why not? It's so much better for you. There's no nasty preservatives, and it's going to taste that much better in your cocktails. So today, we are going to make a ginger simple syrup, and later on, I'm going to be using that in some ginger beer recipes. You got it, some mules. So stay tuned, and don't forget to hit that follow, like, and subscribe button. Let's prepare some fresh ginger. And we're just taking off the shell. I love the smell of ginger. There's not a lot of syrup that we're going to have, so it'll most likely yield less than a cup. So we don't need a whole lot of ginger. We're just going to extract some flavor from it. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a little stovetop. I'm a big advocate for sugar in the raw. It tastes so much better in a cocktail. Yeah, it's not clear. Yeah, you lose some of that ambiance, but for taste, this is so much better, and it's less processed. So in our saucepan, 100 grams of sugar and 100 grams of cold water. I'm going to put this at a high heat. Not too high because you don't want to burn it. You just got to keep stirring it. This is my ladle. So once that sugar starts dissolving, then we can dump our ginger into it. So let's go ahead and put in our ginger. And we're going to keep stirring this until it comes to a light boil. It smells very aromatic already. And you want to make sure that you're putting in a good amount of that ginger, so this way the flavor is extracted from it. You want to be generous with it. I don't have an exact measurement. All I know is I like it. It's very gingery, so therefore I put a lot of ginger into it. And once it comes to a boil, turn off the volume, or turn off the volume. And once that comes to a boil, go ahead and kill the flame, or in this case, kill the electric, and we're going to let that just sit and rest for a couple of hours, and then we're going to put that into an airtight container. We're good. Seal it up, let all that steam and let all those flavors come out of that ginger, and we are going to be good to go. No, this is not a kung fu movie with subtitles. Apparently you have to charge these microphones. But either way, I let this rest for about 2 hours, and I bottled this up in an airtight container. They'll last you for about 4 weeks. If you use it often, maybe once or twice a week, you may get 3 weeks out of it if it lasts that long. Well, either way, enjoy. Now you know how to make a professional ginger syrup. Follow along so you can see how I use this in some new upcoming cocktail recipes.